The genesis of robotics dates back to the ancient world. Greek engineer Hero of Alexandria in the 1st century developed automated devices, often described as the first robots. Fast forward to the 18th century, inventors crafted automata, intricate self-operating machines that mimicked human or animal actions. However, the concept of modern robotics truly took shape in the 20th century. In 1942, science fiction author Isaac Asimov coined the term robotics. A decade later, in the 1950s, George Devil invented the first programmable robot, called Unimate. This marked the dawn of industrial robotics, revolutionizing manufacturing processes. Turning our attention to drones, their roots can be traced back to the mid-19th century during the American Civil War. Balloons fitted with explosives were used for warfare. Progressing into the 20th century, the development of radio technology enabled remote-controlled unmanned aircraft. The Vietnam War in the 1960s witnessed extensive use of drones for surveillance and combat missions. Fast forward to the 21st century, drones have become an integral part of our daily lives. They've found applications in various fields, from package delivery to disaster management, wildlife conservation to aerial photography. As robotics and drones continue to evolve, they are increasingly becoming more sophisticated, autonomous, and versatile. The advent of artificial intelligence and machine learning has given robots the ability to learn from their experiences, adapt to new situations, and perform tasks more efficiently. Drones, on the other hand, are becoming smarter, smaller, and more powerful, capable of performing tasks that were once considered impossible. In conclusion, the journey of robotics and drones, from rudimentary devices to sophisticated machines, is a testament to human ingenuity and technological advancement. We've traversed from Hero's simple automations to Asimov's concept of robotics, from explosive-laden balloons to AI-powered drones. The future of robotics and drones promises even more exciting advancements, enriching our lives in ways we can only imagine. To summarize, this video explored the fascinating evolution of robotics and drones. It traced their roots from ancient times to the present day, highlighting key milestones and inventions along the way. It also shed light on how advancements in technology, particularly artificial intelligence and machine learning, are shaping the future of these fields. This journey of evolution is far from over. As we stand on the brink of even more groundbreaking discoveries, one can only wonder, what's next in the world of robotics and drones?